What are the chances that if you went and asked someone to refer you to an ultimate solution to stop snoring Toronto has, that someone would refer you to a dentist? Well, although that certain someone may seem to you like a crackpot for now, be sure to take some time out and ask that certain someone what their exact reasons were to refer you to a dentist. Snoring, as the recent medical researchers have proven, is not just a habit your life partner needs to get used to if left untreated. The habit can do severe damage to your body and your relationships in the long run. That is because an unwanted noise is just the beginning of a lot of worries. Remember when you knew that there was a problem with your automobile? You may have heard a voice in your head that something was wrong with your vehicle. As a result, you got the vehicle to a trained mechanic at the first possible moment and found that if you had taken even a little bit longer to get help, something could have gone drastically wrong with your vehicle. Our body is very much like a vehicle. It gives out signs to us when something is wrong or amiss, and if we do not read the signs correctly, we are in for a ride rougher than usual. But this is where the similarity between the vehicle and our body ends. While you can change a damaged part in your vehicle or even rebuild your vehicle up from scratch, you cannot do so with your body. You only get one chance at life. Snoring is not just an unwanted sound problem you have. It is a predecessor that warns you of troubles in the future if you do not take it seriously. Snoring can be caused by the loose dangling objects in your throat that should not be there in the first place. The noise is a pointer that there is obstruction to your windpipe and that you are not getting all the necessary amount of oxygen to your lungs. At first it may seem like this is a totally normal thing, but if you leave the condition untreated, there is a good chance that the obstruction could gather. Some people have been found to have such obstructions that cause them to stop breathing while snoring. Sometimes this lasts for seconds and sometimes for as long as a minute. This is where a dentist may be able to help. There are quite a lot of devices available that could provide a remedy for your situation. For some cases of snoring, a dentist can help stop it by selecting and fitting a patient for what is known as a dental orthotic. This is a mouth guard that was worn at night, and it can stop snoring in many cases by gently moving the lower jaw forward so more air can get into the throat. Another type of device pushes air into the nose and opens the airway. This is known as continuous positive airway pressure. Unfortunately, this is a device that you wear like a gas mask, and some people find it extremely uncomfortable. Since your windpipe and your breathing capability are being dealt with, not just anybody can install these devices. Doctors, dentists, or only those with special relevant training are allowed to help with these devices. Otherwise, you run the chance of an unwanted problem arising with your breathing system, which could cause heart disease, heart attacks, stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, erectile dysfunction, and excessive daytime sleepiness. When it comes to stopping snoring, finding good information like that available at the website snoringtoronto.org is essential.